This is the unboxing of a fresh box of Joy Waffle Cones sold by Nob Hill Foods in Redwood City. First, notice the broken cone debris around the bottom of the box. When you're buying these, if you gently shake the box before you purchase it, you can get some idea of how much wastage there is going to be in this package. So the package advertises 12 waffle cones. Let's check them out. One intact. Almost intact. Intact. Almost intact. Intact. So the verdict here is pretty straightforward. Out of 12 classic waffle cones, we're getting 5 good ones and 7 that are broken. And this is the situation with every single box of Joy Waffle Cones that you can buy at Nob Hill Foods in Redwood City.